Hey, it's Terry Hags from Hags World. Today, I decided to take the Honda CB500X out and see what it can do if we took it off the asphalt and spun around Lakeside in Northern California. Here's a little mashup. Enjoy! You may have noticed I threw on some Shinko 805 fat knob tires, and it brings that front end right up on the flickable and fun CB500X. The biggest gripe about the older CB500X models was that it had a 17-inch front rim. Come on, Honda, do better. And guess what? They did. They revised that to a 19-inch in future models. Of course, we're always bitching about wanting more ground clearance, but you gotta remember what this bike is. It's sufficient for a 500 mini adventure, and it tracks very well. And when you get in those areas, just pop up that front wheel. It's nice and light to get you over anything that you may encounter. Well, most anything. So for someone looking to get into the adventure motorcycle game at an affordable price, the Honda CBX500X nails it. It hits all the marks, especially for a beginner or someone just trying to get into the game. Thanks for watching Hags World. Peace out.